guys, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. I am Shruti and you are watching Shruti Arts. In today's video, we are going to paint on cardboard. We all have different pieces of cardboard at our home. It may be a packaging cardboard or it may be something from leftover. So we are going to paint on cardboard. So that's an amazing idea through which we can recycle it, and as well as you can use this for your walls, for your home decor or wall hangings, etc. So this DIY is very useful as well as it's very creative. So let's start today's video without wasting any time, and let's see how we can make this amazing DIY and how to paint on cardboard. So let's jump into today's video. So let's start. Here I have 3 stacks of cardboard. I'm going to use it to paint it, and as we all know that we need to recycle, we need to protect our earth, so let's do it and let's recycle this pretty cardboards into something very creative. So the first one which I'm doing is nothing but a really cute pastel clouds, and with that it has a beautiful signal in it. You'll see it how this goes, because this is going to turn out really super cute. And let's see how this goes. 2 of them will be in pastel color and 1 of them is in green color, so let's do it. By the way, I'm using acrylic colors, so you can use them also, or else you can use poster colors, so it depends on you, but I'll prefer using acrylic color because as these are cardboard, it will create a nice layer which is pretty nice. For the second one, I am using pastel color too, and I am going to add some designs of clouds, and I am going to do it really cute because this is going to turn out super cute, guys, and I am definitely going to use it in my new room. And guys, soon I'm going to start a new channel, so let me know in the comment section what do you think about this idea, where I'm going to post different vlogs, tips, videos related to mindset, fashion, tutorials, etc. So let me know in the comment section, are you guys excited for it? Because I am excited a lot. So let's see how that journey goes. I'm pretty excited as well, so let's see. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, then make sure you do follow me on my Instagram, and also all the social handles are mentioned in the description to follow. And make sure you do subscribe to Shruti Arts for more videos like this. These are our final result. This is how it looks, and I am obsessed with all of this. So let's have a final look to all of these paintings. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, take care and bye bye, and let's see what's upcoming next. Bye.